Everyone, welcome. This is Ali, owner operator, DIY guys. If you want to keep your batteries, terminals, and power supply clean and avoid corrosion, avoid things that sticks to it, I advise you to do this, guys. Use these products after you're finishing installing your batteries. Apply 2-3 coats. After it's dry, just do this. It's really easy. This is made for the battery, so battery terminal protector. See? So once it's dry, guys, just apply all the terminals you have. And of course, shake it. Shake it good. Got anywhere terminals, guys. You see my kill switch up there? I'm gonna apply some of my kill switch. So do also that, guys. It's good. I will have a ground line over there. Can't see it here, but yeah, you see here. Apply some, guys. Apply and let it dry like 1 hour. Apply another coat. I believe I got a line here, but I can't see it right now. I will find it though. That's fine. But yeah, so get that done. Apply in your fuses terminals. So these here on the sides, you see? Apply underneath it. All that is good. Let me show you also some more lines, guys. Apply. This is good. Keep the batteries, keep the power supply. I want to show you. Sorry. Where you do apply also here on your what you call it, the alternator. Apply some. Yeah. Right now I don't remember also where is other lines, but I will make a video telling you where is all your cables to inspect them. I mean the batteries, powers, to inspect the terminals and the batteries, the wires, clean them. Yeah, but right now really, yeah, I remember one spot there, right there. You see these on top? Also spray, see? I sprayed this before and it's still there. This thing is like oil, it will stay there, so nothing will get to the terminal. So after 1 hour, guys, just do this again. Apply 2-3 coats. Yep, guys. Alright, that's all for now, and thanks for watching. Please stay safe on the road. Like and subscribe if you like that. Yeah, have a good one.